Welcome to the inside of your mind. Don't be scared. The walls might be padded, but the door is wide open. Now, sit however you want. Slouch, perch, upside down. The rules don't matter here. Just breathe. Inhale through your nose like you're sniffing mischief. Exhale with a sigh, or a giggle, or a groan. However it wants to leave, let it. Again, inhale. Fill your lungs with ridiculousness. Exhale and unhinge something inside of you. Let's laugh, even if it's a fake laugh at first. Ha, ha, ha. Again, ha, ha, ha. Good. That sound? That's your spirit slipping out of its straitjacket. Now breathe into the absurdity. Imagine your thoughts as juggling pins, spinning out of control. Watch them fly. Don't catch them. Just let them crash. And now repeat. I don't need to make sense. I only need to make waves. I create chaos with clarity. I laugh at the leash. Inhale. Again. Now repeat. I don't need to make sense. I only need to make waves. I create chaos with clarity, and I laugh at the leash. Let madness bloom inside your eyes. Exhale. Smile wide. Try on a wicked smile. The world expects control, but you are the beautiful mistake in their formula. Now go on. Twirl, cackle, paint a little grid across today.